the Fibonacci sequence and the golden mean. The Fibonacci sequence was invented by an Italian mathematician named Leonardo Pisano Bigolo. Pisano meaning from Pisa, and Fibonacci means son of Bonacci. The Italians used to trade a lot and therefore needed to invent some sort of maths to keep track of who was buying what. They did all of their maths with Roman numerals at this time, and so it was difficult to add, subtract, and divide. Whilst living in North Africa, Fibonacci learnt the Arabic numbers from an Arabic teacher. The Arabic numbers are the numbers we commonly use today.
The Fibonacci sequence is a sequence of numbers, in particular a pattern that is repeated. The Fibonacci sequence is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, etc. To create this sequence, you need to take the two previous numbers and add them together to create the next number in the sequence, but it doesn't end there. There is something called the golden ratio. What is the golden ratio? It is the ratio of sides of a special rectangle, a golden rectangle, where some magic happens. If you cut off a square from this golden rectangle, the leftover rectangle has the same proportions of the larger rectangle. This ratio is often represented with the Greek letter phi, which is 1.618.
It is believed that this golden rectangle appears in ancient Greek architecture and famous paintings such as the Mona Lisa. So how does the Fibonacci sequence relate to this number?
The Fibonacci sequence can be found all around us in our everyday life. Some examples include flowers, shells, pine cones, galaxy, plants, waves, hurricanes. This spiral is included in the structure of these subjects. For example, the number of petals found on a flower is commonly a number from the Fibonacci sequence. Lilies have 3, gillflower have 5, and buttercups have 8. As well as the petals, this also occurs in the alignment of leaves, shoots, and twigs, and in the number of clockwise and anti-clockwise spirals on a pine cone and in the center of a sunflower.
In conclusion, the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio go hand in hand to explain phenomena occurring in nature and how something so complex can occur naturally.